We are at Ogden Arms at 800 Ogden.
It's a nice building. Cool elevator.
Yeah, I like how they just kind of like made a little window in there. That always makes it interesting.
Yeah. Oh, we got
I wonder
the
who
arrow there
installed
that-
this.
I don't know.
Because I didn't see a brand on the top.
No, and this is an innovation panel, so
Maybe we should check the machine room.
I don't know. Maybe it'd just be generic. It'd be kind of weird. It's just only generic.
Look at the.
See if we can do both. I don't think I can do a double view of that. Oh, you can, kinda. You got a different angle there. I think your angle probably works a little better for the window.
Yeah.
Whereas mine works.
I love the
pretty-
diamond-shaped window in the elevator. Like, it's just so awesomely retro.
Yeah, that's cool.
I love this whole cab. Like, look at this. This is just so retro, and I love it.
Yeah, it's like 1920s.
This is cool.
All right.
I wonder if the. Let's go back up to 3.
I got the arrow back there. That does not sound like a regular innovation bell.
It's like a lot more crisp.
Yeah. All right, so after we're done here, we gotta move the car.
Yeah.
Because, you know, they might not be enforcing loading zone immediately, but you never know.
Yeah. Always better to play it safe.
Yeah. All right, here we are. 3rd floor. Pretty small cab, but not too bad. It's bigger than I thought it was gonna be. I
Oh,
wonder,
that's
do
that
you think
weird-
this is the original panel?
Oh, I bet. Yeah, I'm sure.
All right, so let's go back to G, and then we're gonna.
Wait, that's like a square one. Maybe this was a Haughton. Wait, I think this was a Haughton. Yeah, because that's like a very similar door track to what the Haughton on my campus has.
Oh, nice.
I think this was a Haughton.
That's cool. All right, here we are on G.
We'll send it up just so we can watch it. Oh,
Yeah,
sorry.
I'll go ahead first.
A little ball.
Yeah, I don't want to trip on that.
What is that? Maybe it's a toy or a pet or something.
Yeah.
Goodbye, Mr. Elevator.
Focus in. I don't know why it has a hard time focusing on this.
Goodbye.
Doors, it's really weird.